Hey guys, Ezra Hanson here. So I've got another project for you for a Swiss Army knife. Yeah, a lot of people liked the project that I had up on the climber. So this time I'm going to do a Spartan. This is a bit rusted up and stuff, and it's got a branding here that's half worn off, so I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take like the paint spots off it and stuff. Right, so I'm going to crack into it. So I'm going to take the scales off it, and again I'm going to use my EDC, which is a Pioneer. So I'm going to use the awl. Going to switch to the screwdriver actually. And this one's quite hard to get off. Right, there's one side off. Right, so I'm just going to oil this up with a bit of CRC because it's a bit sort of rusted up and stuff, which is quite unusual. So I'm just going to hit that with CRC, and then I'm going to work on the scales, and then I'm going to wash this up, and then I'm going to re-oil it and stuff. I might have to clean off some of the rust and stuff. So CRC has a like a solvent in it, or it is a solvent, so that'll help to clean that up. So the next part here, I'm going to attempt to get the brand off there. So I'm just going to use a 1200 grit piece of sandpaper. So I'm just going to wet that. And that's actually coming off really easy. Sweet, that's off there already. Didn't think that'd be so easy. I'm just going to do the rest of the scale as well, just so it's all the same, like the colour and stuff. Alright, so that came up pretty nice. Right, so I'm going to do the next bit that's got the paint like spots on it and stuff. Actually, yeah, the reason why I'm actually doing this is I've got a mate that saw that I had this, and he said that if I cleaned it up for him, he would purchase it off me to try to help support me with the YouTube thing. So I'm going to try tidy this up for him. And then that'll be his first, what do you call it, Swiss Army knife, which is quite cool. Alright, so I've been working away at loosening up the tools, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but something's come out of line, and this small blade is just completely, it's unable to move. So what I'm actually going to do Yeah, my mate that wants this, he just wants it as a user, so he's not too worried about it. But I'm actually going to cut that blade off. I'm going to like file it all down and stuff so that the large blade works properly and the bottle opener and everything works properly. So yeah, alright, we'll go modify that now. Alright, so I ground off that, the small, the blade there. So everything's a lot easier to move now. Sometimes you got to do things like that to get things working. So there's just a bit of like rust and a bit of grime on the blade. So I'm just gonna like put a bit of oil on there now. Just gonna scrub it up. Right, that's a bit tidier now. Right, so next I'm gonna put the scales back on. Alright, so I've got scales here. Helps if you put the right one on the right side. Just going to put that on like that. Other one on. Just going to put that bit of padding in my, I've got a wee like vice here. I'm just going to press fit that, but not put too much pressure on there. Right, here we go, scales are back on. Right, so I've got a new like a tweezer and a toothpick. Just going to slot them in there. Alright, so I'm just going to sharpen it up now. Right, so here we go guys, the finished restoration on the Spartan. Well, not so much a restoration, but just like fixing it up so I can actually use it. Yeah, so all the tools have loosened up nicely. The blade's got a nice like a click on it now. The bottle opener was real hard to open before. Yeah, I got rid of the advertising on it, and I got rid of all like the paint and stuff that was on it. So yeah, I think it's turned out reasonably well. Shame I had to take that smaller blade off, but it was just the way it worked out. But yeah, alright, thanks for watching, hope you guys like it, let me know what you think. Alright, we'll see you next time.